I was tagged by the lovely Tanya from BitsNBags to do her own tag, which is items that I would change about my luxury handbags. So instead of one, I actually have three and an honorable mention because my husband jumped in on number four. So there we go. The first one is going to be Chanel. As much as I love the cocoa handle, as much as I love it, is as much as I hate the strap. I love this bag. It's beautiful. The leather is amazing. You know, I haven't had any problems out of this bag. Well, actually, I'm wrong. There's two things I don't love about it. One is the strap, and two is the fact that it leans. Mine, it leans forward a little bit when I set it down, so it's a little bit annoying, but I guess that's just the way it is. And the second thing is this strap. I don't love, actually, to be honest, I think I've used the strap one, maybe two times since I've had this bag, and I only like chain or strap. I don't like a combination of both. There's something about that that just drives me nuts. So if it were just this woven all the way through, I would probably use the strap. But because it's this piece, I'm a one or the other type of person on any bag. So for me, I just I actually use this strap to store under the bag to keep it from leaning. So that is my number one. Number two is one of my favorite girls, which is the Louis Vuitton bento bag. I love this bag, but I noticed a lot of people having it curl. And I noticed that if I use it too many days in a row, mine will too. So what I do is I just keep a Ziploc bag full of rice, and I just store it on top of it to make sure mine keeps the shape. But it's gonna curl eventually, and I would fix that somehow. I would either weigh it down, you know, have made this canvas two pieces of canvas or something to keep that flat, because once it curls, it looks terrible to me. So that is my number two. And that's pretty much the only thing I would change on this bag, because it does come with a long leather strap, but I don't use it. I just use this as a hand carry or a crook of the arm bag because she's just beautiful. So that is number two. Now, number three, I know. I knew it when I bought it, and I knew what it was when I bought it. Number three is the Louis Vuitton Boit Chapeau. I love this bag, but this is as wide as she opens. Even if you unbuckle the strap, that's basically it. So you're not getting anything in there but hopes, dream, love, and maybe $1. It's a beautiful bag. She is a major flex. I mean, like major. And she is what she is. She is tiny and beautiful. So, although I do love this bag, and then the second thing is this. When you walk, there's no way that's not going to tap that. So, it does become annoying after, you know, a little bit of walking with it. But other than that, I love this bag. And she's one of those bags, I hardly ever use her, but I'm so glad and so grateful that I did get her, because she is definitely irreplaceable for me. So that was my number three. And my number four is a bag that just when I was running upstairs, I told my husband what tag video I was doing, and he goes, "Oh yeah, one of them should be the one I don't like." And I said, "Well, what would you change about it?" And he goes, "I would just make it not that." So just for him, it is the Louis Vuitton Yayoi Kusama. He just does not like that pattern. So that's my honorable mention. But I love this bag. The only thing I would change on it would be to add a bandolier strap. So that's that. And I wanted to thank Tanya for tagging me. Um, the lip gloss of the day is Tom Ford. I'm sure it's called, wait a minute, no, I'm sorry, it's Marc Jacobs. It's called Cha 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 Changes. The bag of the day is my gorgeous baby, my favorite bag in my collection still, hands down, is the Louis Vuitton Doctor bag. She's still my number one girl. And the perfume of the day is actually none, because I'm sure you've all smelled it. I'm sure you've all seen it, and I'm sure you're all in love with it, but so am I. So let's see. It is the Louis Vuitton Spell on You. This smells so amazing. I mean, whew, it is gorgeous. It smells beautiful. And I'm going to cover my engraving on my hand because I had something private engraved on this bottle. But I hope you get it. I hope you get a, if you don't get it immediately, grab a sample. You're gonna love it. I mean, this is my new California Dream. This is my new Etoile Filate. This is my new everything. This is it. I love it. Love, love, love it. So I hope you do too. I hope you get a bottle, and I hope it makes you as happy as mine does me. So I'm definitely in love. And then there's this. Please don't tell me, please. I already know, I've already heard it, and I already understand it, where this looks very similar to something else that I already own. But this is the Louis Vuitton, I'm sure it's called the Dauphine or Dauphine card holder. And yes, I see where it's similar, but it's not the same to this one. This one I'm honestly not in love with anymore. I think I might sell it because it's too late for me to return it, but this one is my new girl, and I definitely love this one. Alrighty. So, that's pretty much it. Thank you, Tanya, again for tagging me. I appreciate you. Happy very late birthday, Tanya. I'm sorry your gift sucked. Your post office sucks. I'll just leave it on that. And I'll just end with the usual. Be kind to someone for no reason at all. Thank you. Aloha, and stay safe, everybody.